there's a button that takes it into heat.
That takes it on and off.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, if you see the red button there where it goes,
Yeah.
if you put cold all the way down, I'm sorry, cold all the way up.
You can
Yeah,
get it
down
AC.
and up. See
I
what it is?
remember somebody showed me a
Yeah,
mode for heat.
Over to the right, the red, right there in the up position. Yeah, hit that a few times. And it should automatically switch over.
Well, yeah, but you gotta set it to do that. It's set for AC only right now.
Oh, for AC only. So you put it in the cool mode only.
Yeah, this is all I've ever needed here. Kind of,
You want to get it right there, right there.
well, I know, but there's a way to do it. I don't know,
Yeah.
just pressing.
Heat mode LED is lit when the heat only mode is selected or the unit is in the
Yeah, but
heating
there's a way
cycle.
to turn.
Let me see, okay, the cool mode.
Now I'll turn it on first. And then oops.
No, I don't. There's two things you gotta do. I remember we did it once.
Exiting program mode.
Let's see, humidity.
Press the power
That's the
button
unit.
and the control will turn to the off mode.
Yeah,
Not
that's
pressing
the
any
one.
buttons or attempting to switch the program change for 1 minute will exit the program mode.
I gotta find it. I did it once in there.
Exiting the program mode, is that what you're trying to do?
I remember I had these two fingers to get it to the heat
It's in the
mode.
AC mode right now.
I'm in the AC mode, which it works perfect.
Is it reading is that the temperature here right now? It can't be. 72? What's 70 temperature?
That's the temperature it reads here, but I don't know how accurate this temperature thing is, but that's what it shows here.
It's 71 now, so maybe,
Yeah.
is it colder than that yet?
Yeah, I would think so, but can you bump that down to like 68 and have AC turn on then?
Oh, yeah.
Do that.
So now it's set to go.
There you go.
There we go.
You got the pump and everything on?
Switch is on there.
Make sure-
AC pump on, okay, good.
Always make sure that comes out.
So tell me about the pump, I don't know anything about it.
That's what's going to pump the water.
Oh, you've got two breakers.
Yeah.
You got the AC breakers, then you have the pump breaker. And the AC won't cut on unless the pump.
Okay.
Should leave it in is automatic. I don't know how to get to that, but in the automatic
Well-
mode, it'll automatically go from heat to cool, whatever you want.
That's got the odor to it also. A little bit. I wonder what,
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Sure does.
oh, I know what it is. And I wrote it down. There's a broken tie wrap that goes around the vent hose, right up under in that.
The vent hose from the
Yeah, from the air conditioner, and the air conditioner's right down in that area. And therefore it's sucking.
Sucking-
it's pushing
it's sucking
it,
air
sucking it
down in
through.
there.
Yes. Right.
God. That's like putting a damn return in your shitter.
Yeah, exactly. All right, that works. Getting dizzy from the tube.
Carbon monoxide?
Okay. And our,
The front AC, what controls that?
I'll show you. You found it?
pardon me?
You found it?
Yeah, it's up here.
No, the controls he's talking about.
No.
Oh, right here.
Same control panel, same panel? There's one supply. Is that the only supply at front, the big one?